I'm Mo, and I just peed in the toilet. As usual, I did lift the seat, but also, I got a little urine on the rim of the bowl. Now, you might ask yourself, what should I do when I leave urine on the rim of the bowl? That's a very good question. One option is to just leave it there and have Mo, or a janitor, or someone else clean it up. And that's a really good option. Another option is this. Take some toilet paper in your hand and wipe up your own urine like this. You can dispose of this paper in here and help ruin San Francisco's water pipes, or you can get rid of it here in the trash can. You don't have to put the toilet seat down, but if you do, it means you're probably a good person. As you can see, it's just that easy. Is it dangerous or unhealthy to clean up your own urine? And the answer is no. So, I guess what I'm trying to say is, please, do not leave the toilet splattered with urine on the rim